Hi, this is John with WTI. And trying to keep always clean all the seats and all the areas of my car, this is where this foaming cleaner just does the job perfectly. And one of the things that I like the most about this cleaner is just how easy it is to apply in the right formula because you just like spray it on the car, just leave it around for what, a couple of good 10, 15 seconds, and it's gonna do just to wipe it out, and it's really good. So most of the times when you're receiving people or you're eating in your car, uh, they will leave crumbs or maybe a stain, or depending on the material of the inside of your car. In this case, this material gets to stay on with any of the stains that could be in there. Having a guy like this, it just does the job properly and it's a lifesaver. So if you're really trying to take your interior of your car always clean and shiny, this guy here just does the job perfectly. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.